Today I'm going to show you how to mix a French Revolution. Now, your French Revolution is going to be a champagne-based cocktail, similar to a mimosa or maybe a Kir Royale. Your main ingredients are going to be brandy and a raspberry liqueur, and then you're going to top that off with champagne. Now, if you want to go all out, I'd recommend some cognac, seeing as that is a French brandy. But otherwise, any brandy or cognac will do. So we're going to do 4 parts of brandy to 1 part of raspberry liqueur. But basically, it's all about just measuring out visually. So when you pour, you can count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's about right, about an ounce of brandy. And then you're going to use, we're using Chambord, obviously, because it's French, but feel free to use a generic brand if you don't have it. And you just want to do about 1/4 ounce to a 1/2 ounce. So 1, 2, it's going to add a little bit of color and a light raspberry flavor. And then we're just going to top the rest of it off with some dry champagne. And that is going to be your French Revolution. Here's a nice close-up view of that. Really nice colors, perfect fizz. And your French Revolution, a drink you'll undoubtedly enjoy.